So, we went camping over the long weekend in October. Here's what we got up to. There we go, first camping expedition in a decade and a half. Here we are set up at Kaipo Forest. Got the tent up, got the esky out, got the fire ready to go. We've got the camp kitchen over here. Got somewhere to sit, something to drink, something to eat. We're travelling well. So, after a pleasant day and a pleasant evening and a pleasant dinner, the thunderstorms rolled in and now it's bucketing down. We've got a full-blown thunderstorm overhead. Let's see if I can flip this camera and you can see what I'm talking about. As you can see, that's... Whoop, we'll bring that back. As you can see, that's our campsite. It's now bucketing down and I'm hoping that we don't get inundated. I don't have to start digging trenches to divert the water. But, you know, it was a beautiful day. So, today we did the tree climb here at Kaipo Forest. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. It was a lot of fun. I'll throw some pictures up of the thing now that it's after hours. I may try and get some video that my wife took while I was up there. There's no way she would have done the thing. It was way too strenuous or tricky for her, and Blaine, there's no way he would have done that. But Erin seemed to enjoy it thoroughly. No.
Good boy. Go.
Righto, that's enough about that. You know the drill. Hit the subscribe button and become part of our thriving community. Of course, if you like my videos, give them the big thumbs up and share them if you want, as that helps the channel out. And also hit the bell to get notified when I put up new content. Okay, that's all from me, so stay healthy, keep thinking. As my mum would say, be good, and if you can't be good at it. I'll see you next time.